So we're getting all the siding off after cutting it. As you can tell, there is no insulation in there. I used to wear a pedometer, and I was walking about 11 miles a day. So, there's Clay using my favorite ladder. You'll see him use it here in a minute. Now I'm trying to cut that wood down to bottom. Unfortunately, there's no electrical. No plumbing, no electrical at all. And there's Clay using the oscillating saw, which is his favorite tool. He uses that for everything. And believe me, it was kind of frustrating because I was wanting him to use other tools than that, but he likes using the oscillating saw for it. You know, to sand, to cut drywall, to cut plastic, to cut pipe, plastic pipe. It's, you know, he just likes using it. But I gotta give him credit. He gets a lot done with it. The newer one that we have, the oscillating saw by Ryobi, it does not have the trigger like it did. It now has an on-off switch on top instead of a trigger that you can let go and press whenever you want. There I am cleaning up again. So, you know, don't tell my wife, but I'm pretty good at sweeping. Well, we're still making messes that I gotta clean up. Compulsive. You'll see me do that a lot. I make messes, I clean them up. Clay's using the oscillating saw, cutting the drywall, the exterior drywall that they put up before they put the siding on. And they did the same on the inside as sort of a drywall with holes in it, so the plaster could be held inside the holes and hold it to the wall. So he's cutting that all the way across so that we can just pull that off. Getting in behind it. Using more than one pry bar. Okay. It's all about down. Now he's going to go down that area where we cut. And I might not have cut all the way through it. He's going to clean it all up. Pull the nails out and things like that. Cut the drywall flush so that we can put plywood on it later. I spend a lot of time staring at things, I notice. I wonder if I can stop wasting time staring at things. Keep moving. But I think I got to think about things first. As you notice, those boards were really rotted and they pulled out very easily. I was concerned that the plaster would come falling down, but it did not. So we didn't have to rebuild any of the inside. Now I'm getting ready to clean up all the bottom. That is kind of rotted. So we're going to end up putting a board in there on the bottom. And it was my intention to support the beam that runs across those windows there, the header. So I will not be running a full length board all the way across underneath the windows. It will go up, 2x going all the way up. You'll see in a little bit. I'm like trying to pull that off. You gotta be careful because the windows try to move. And now, clean up again. I was trained on okay, this skipped over a little bit. He's checking on the camera. It wasn't syncing very well. We had problems with it charging and had to move it over here a little closer so you can get a closer look. And getting ready to put wood in. And this is one of my favorite construction bags. I think it's called Hauled Tail. Fiberglass weave bags. You can put more in it than you can lift, or more than 2 people can lift. Big old heavy duty bags. That way you can drag it to the truck like you're dragging a dead body or something, and throw it on the trailer, or with somebody else helping you lift it up on the back of the truck. Sometimes it takes that, it gets so much weight on it. Now I'm measuring the board to go across the bottom, and shortly we'll have that put in, and we'll have the mess cleaned up. Clay's doing a good job. Now when we use these boards, we're not using nails, we're using screws. So here I am staring at things again, cleaning up some more nails that were left. Shortly, we should be putting 2x under each window, and then we got to run the 2 longer 2x4s from the floor to the header at the top. But let's do the underneath the windows first. I'm doing a layout, I believe, here shortly on that 2x4. These things remind me of the old silent films where they had pianos playing, comedy. Everybody's moving fast.